Hari Kanna.
So now let's see how to handle time series data with ease. So for that, let me first open a new notebook editor. Let me save this and close this one, and come to the notebook edit dashboard and open a new Python 3 Python kernel and name it as time series and enter. So import pandas as pd, then immediately read the data. So in addition to that, I want to import matplotlib. I have some work. So matplotlib, and in that I'll go for matplotlib pyplot, grid hatch, markers, mlab, path. Yeah, here is the, it's a pylab. So I'm gonna go with the pyplot. A lot of things are there, so let me go for the pyplot. Okay, pylab. So pyplot, yeah, and then as plt. Yep, no issue. So let me fetch the data now. So I'll say air quality pd and read csv, and I'll go with the air quality dot c, air quality long. Okay, and air quality, and here is that. So I got the parameter location date dot utc. So let me go for, okay, city country. Okay, all data that we have here, but do I need an UTC or date time? Whichever is fine. That's okay, it's not a big deal. So our data is ready. Now it's time to get the unique cities. If you want to see the unique cities, so you can just say air quality dot city. It has, of course, you see that the city, and I want the apply the unique method, and here are, so you have only 3 unique cities here. And similarly, if you want to see the unique countries, so same, I'll use air quality and then it's a country, sorry, yeah, and unique, oh, BE, GB and FR. And similarly locations, I want to see what all unique locations are there. So location, and again unique, oh, BETR 801 London Westminster FR 04014. These are the unique locations and unique parameters. So let me check that. Air quality dot parameter dot apply the unique method, and you have only 2 unique categories, the parameter categories, that is PM25 and NO2. That's okay. So now let's begin our activities. So how to handle the time series data with ease. So we will begin with using pandas date time properties. Okay, so let me write using pandas date time properties. It's a 3. So let me check air quality data frame, and then it's date dot utc. Yes, am I correct? Yes, I'm correct. So now So PD, then I want to apply to date time method, and I'm gonna give an argument as air quality, and then take this one. So again, date dot UTC, and close the parenthesis and execute it. And let me take only this portion, and after the formatting, and let me execute that. You see that clearly? So it's a date time, name is date.utc, and the length is 5722 records, and it's a data type, it's date time 64, and it's based on UTC format. Okay, so that's how it looks. So initially the values in date.utc are character strings and do not provide any date time operations. Example, extracting the year, day of the week. So by applying to date time method, pandas interprets the strings and convert these to date time. You can see the data type is a date time 64 object. In pandas we call this date time object, similar to the date time from the standard library as pandas.timestamp. Okay, so now what's the start? The next question that arises, what's the start and the end date of the time series data set we are working with? So that's the question. So what is the start and end date of the time series data set we are working with? So let me check air quality and date.utc. The minimum function to get the start 1, and again air quality data frame, again a date.utc, sorry, .utc is our column, and I'm gonna apply max this time and execute. Here is the minimum, here this is the start date of my time series data, and this is end date of my time series data 2019 49 and 2019 621. Absolutely fine. And time zone is UTC. You see that UTC. So now using pandas data timestamp for date times enables us to calculate the date information and make them comparable. Hence, we can use this to get the length of our time series. So this, now what I'm going to do is I'll take the air quality data frame again. So this time I'm gonna add again the date. Okay, let me take the same one, just copy paste it, will be much faster. Okay, so I'll put it maximum here, and in spite of comma I'm gonna go with operation, that's a operator air quality, and I'm gonna give min. Yeah, execute, and the time delta is 72 days and 23 hours. So that's what the time delta, so that's what the duration of what time series data we are working with. So the result is a pandas dot time delta object. This is a time delta object similar to the date time dot time delta from the standard Python library for library and defining a time duration. So one more example we'll see. So I want to add a new column to the date. I want to add a new column to the date frame containing only the month of the measurement. Okay, so how can I do that? So I'll use air quality data frame. So this time I'll say month, so that means I'm attaching a new column, and from where I will get it, air quality, and then selection bracket, and inside that date.utc, that's what my column. So I'm gonna attach tt, that's a method, and then you see that, let me see, dt, let me click on this, yeah, and month. Okay, so let me give air quality, and here is the month. So month number, a sixth, obviously it's sixth, 444. It's damn clear. So by using the timestamp objects for dates, a lot of time related properties are provided by pandas. For example, the month, but also year, week of the year, quarter. All of these properties are accessible by the DT accessor. DT accessor.